Retirement plans, for many of us, feel like a ticking time bomb. You've been saving for years, but you look at your future and realize this isn't enough. If you're feeling like the traditional retirement strategies just aren't cutting it, you're not alone. The truth is, most retirement plans are broken. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you need to rethink how you're saving. Here's the harsh reality. Most retirement plans are built to keep you tied to outdated systems that were never designed with your best interest in mind. Whether it's that 401k or your standard IRA, they have huge flaws. These systems are often too reliant on volatile stocks or bonds, and if the market takes a dive, so does your wealth. You're left at the mercy of market swings with no real control over your financial future. Now, there's a way to fix this, and it starts with something you might not have thought about: gold IRAs. Before I dive deeper into why gold IRAs are the ultimate game changer for retirees, let me tell you why this matters. Because the world we live in today is way more unpredictable than it used to be. Economic instability, inflation, and rising taxes make your traditional retirement plan less secure by the day. Now, if you're wondering how you can take control, here's the solution: a gold IRA. With a gold IRA, your savings are backed by a tangible asset, gold, that has been proven to hold value for centuries. Unlike the stocks and bonds tied to your current plan, gold doesn't lose value when the economy crashes or when inflation hits. If you're thinking this sounds like something that could protect your wealth, then you're on the right track. But here's why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs right now. The security it provides is unmatched. It's not tied to the ups and downs of the stock market, and it's not vulnerable to government intervention like other forms of retirement accounts. Gold has stood the test of time, and in today's economy, it's the safest way to protect your wealth. If you're serious about securing your financial future, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. This guide is packed with everything you need to know to make the right decision for your future. Let's take a moment to compare the alternatives. Stocks, a risky game. Bonds, they're not doing much to beat inflation. Even the average savings account has interest rates that are nowhere near what you need to stay ahead of the curve. With gold IRAs, your wealth is working for you while keeping you safe from those unpredictable market shifts. You have more control over how your money is protected. The best part? Gold isn't just a hedge against inflation, it's an investment that appreciates over time. This makes it the perfect solution if you're someone who's nearing retirement or already retired. Imagine watching your savings grow while everyone else's is shrinking because they're locked into traditional, outdated methods. That's the kind of financial peace of mind you deserve. Now, if you're in a position where you've saved 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or maybe you've accumulated 5 months plus in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect move for you. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Protect your wealth by making the right move with a gold IRA today. So, if you're tired of watching your retirement plans fall short, I want you to take action now. Click that link for your free gold IRA guide. I'm here to help you protect your future, and I want you to take advantage of the opportunity to secure your wealth. Remember, it's not about waiting until it's too late. Protecting your wealth is something you can do today, and that peace of mind